If the Telegram app keeps crashing or closing automatically on your iPhone, don't worry. Watch the video till the end to solve this issue. Let's get started with some basic solutions. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network and ensure you're on the latest version. If that doesn't work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear cache. Open Telegram, then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Data and Storage. Now tap Storage Usage, clear entire cache. Solution 2. Remove proxy or VPN. Again, go to Settings, then tap Data and Storage. Now tap Proxy. Disable Use Proxy. Now go to the iPhone settings, then tap General. After that, go to VPN and Device Management. Turn off the active VPN. Solution 3. Offload the app. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Tap Telegram. Offload app. Wait a moment, then tap Reinstall app. This usually fixes persistent crashing problems. Now restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone clears temporary system glitches that may cause apps to crash. After restarting, open Telegram and test it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone and Telegram fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.